Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, I am recently got conference out from FK entry, sir. So I just want to share the experience, sir.
Yeah, please let us go ahead and discuss. So this was your which number attempt?
So this is my 15th attempt
15th attempt tha. Acha.
and the fifth conference, sir.
5th conference. And when did you join up with us?
So I joined in 2022, sir.
And in overall terms, what all improvements you had made in yourself?
So improvement, talking about improvements, first of all, the communication skills. Initially, I was not able to express my views as clearly as of today. So, and also about the newspaper part and the general knowledge that I have increased over the time. And about the physicals also, I am more physically fit as compared to like before 2 years. I'm able to run more than 5 kilometers in 25 minutes. So these are my improvements, sir.
Okay. And are you working or you are still a student?
So as you told me to took some job, so I now I am working from past 1 year. So I'm working in company called Airworks at Mohali. Sir.
What is the nature of work that you are doing?
So I am at the post of design engineer. So I am designing the things, mainly the conveyor belts required for the handling of soil dishwares. So this is a multinational company, and mainly the customers are from Canada and America.
So your plant works in 24-hour cycle?
Yes, sir. So I am in the design team. So our manufacturing plant is at another location. So we usually do the designing of the equipment. Sir.
So you have a regular 8 hours kind of a work life?
Yes, sir. 9 to 5:30.
9. So that's quite a standard thing. Okay. So, and your work life is going good?
Yes, sir. It's going good.
Broad parameters seem to be quite fine, that you have made effective improvements in language, in general knowledge, in physical fitness, and your work life is also going good. So broadly, things are on the right track. So now, once again, a broad question. Overall, your performance, was it better than all previous attempts or was it somewhat similar only?
So in the GTO task, it was not that. So it was not good as compared to my others. And in the psychology also, I could perform better as compared to my previous attempts. Sir.
So, no, you have not given me a complete answer. Like, आपका स्क्रीनिंग हुआ, साइकोलॉजी हुआ, जीटीओ हुआ, इंटरव्यू हुआ, अगर ओवरऑल बताओगे तो सब में अब
Yes.
आपकी एबिलिटी पहले से ज्यादा थी कि कुछ घट गई थी?
So it was better as compared to previous attempts. Sir.
बेटर थी. अच्छा.
Yes. Sir.
So interview, whatever was asked, you could answer well.
Yes, sir. So except one or two questions, sir.
Like, for example, क्या questions था?
So ask me about the turboprop engine. So at that time, I was not able to recall that.
तो आप मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर हैं?
Yes, sir.
तो और आप फील्ड में ही अपने काम कर रहे हैं?
Yes, sir.
You would know, Gaurav, that I have been telling time and again that the most important thing is your core subject knowledge.
Yes, sir.
बोला ना मैंने कि I will repeat that if you are a student, the most important thing is your subject knowledge. You allocated a weightage of 35%.
Yes.
Then comes communication skill 30%.
Yes.
Then comes physical fitness 20%. Then comes general awareness 15%. ये मिला के 100% हो जाता है.
Right.
Broadly उसमें पैरामीटर्स में तो यहाँ आप काम भी कर रहे हो.
Yes.
तो what is your view? Should you have been knowing this or not?
So I think I should know this. So, but where I'm working, so we are using a particular software, and so the work is not that broad that we are using the knowledge of all the subjects. But in my view, I think I should know this.
Okay, no, then I get your point that at the moment your work life does not demand this knowledge of yours.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Right, sir.
So it is not that important from your perspective. ठीक है?
Yes.
You should not be getting bothered about trying to sort out your fundamentals of mechanical engineering now. Fine.
Yes.
Do not get overly concerned. And I will put you at ease because I was an interviewing officer for 2 years and now I have been guiding students for over 10 years.
Yes.
And I have come across barely 7-8 persons, mechanical engineers, who actually understood mechanical engineering. Fine.
Right.
So that is the standard of the students we get in the country. So, I mean, if only those many had to be selected, academies would have been running under strength, all of them. No?
Right, sir.
तो ये तो कमजोर नॉलेज भी चल जाएगी क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान में हाल ही खराब है. That's a fact which I know. I'm sharing it with you because it is of some relevance to you also. You know कि जो बाकी जो आ रहे हैं उनको भी कुछ पता नहीं है.
Yes.
तो आपको जो इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर ने आपको टर्बो चार्जिंग के बारे में पूछा या कोई सीआरडीआई पीआरडी कुछ पूछा आपको नहीं पता था अच्छे से तो वो औरों को भी नहीं पता होना है.
Yes.
हमको सेलेक्ट तो करने ही है कुछ ना कुछ हिंदुस्तान से ले रहे हैं ना.
Yes.
We'll not be selecting people from Singapore, Japan, America or something. So don't get overly concerned about this. Anything else which you could not answer properly?
So he asked me about the 3 weaknesses. I was able to give only 2. So.
Oh, that ठीक है यार. That hardly matters.
Okay. So otherwise, I was able to give all of the answers.
Whatever was asked, you could answer well. There were no problems.
Yes, sir.
So interviews, no issues. Don't get concerned about this mechanical engineering question. Fine.
Right.
अच्छा. अब भी आते हैं साइकोलॉजी टेस्ट पर. तो इसमें SRTs का कितने का सोल्यूशन लिख दिया था आपने?
So I was able to write 35, sir.
35. अब ये आपका 5th और 6th कॉन्फ्रेंस था?
Yes, 5th, sir.
6th ना?
5th, sir.
5 अच्छा 5th.
Oh.
और मैंने इसके बारे में क्या बताया हुआ भाई?
So try to write as many as possible, sir.
और मिनिमल एक्सेप्टेबल कितना बोला मैंने?
Sir, 45, sir.
ये आपको मालूम है?
Yes.
आपने बुक भी देखी हुई है, सब चीजें बुक में पढ़ी हैं ध्यान से?
Yes, sir.
तो पार्डनेबल है ये?
No, sir. I think I should work it.
हाँ, you should. मतलब यार प्रैक्टिकल चीजें हैं. क्या है इसमें यार? ट्रेन में जा रहे थे, पर्स खो गया, ट्रेन में आग लग गई, कोई गिर गया, घर में आग लग गई, प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं स्टूडेंट, क्या करोगे? सच लाइक थिंग डे टू डे लाइफ में होती रहती है जो आपने स्कूल कॉलेज लाइफ और वर्क लाइफ सारी देखी हुई है. I mean, there's no reason that something is really surprising for you.
No, sir.
और ब्रीफ रिप्लाई देना है. लंबी लंबी कहानी लिखनी नहीं है. लंबी लंबी लिख रहे थे कहानी.
सर बीच में हो रहा था मतलब more than 2 sentences.
I have explained in the book. Short लिखिए, लिखा है ना मैंने?
Yes, sir.
As far as SRTs are concerned, the principles are that what you write should be clear.
Right.
Means it should be understood in the same sense as you have thought. Second principle is it should be comprehensive, that there should be no unanswered questions left. एंड थर्ड इज ब्रेविटी, ये फालतू की चीजें मत लिखिए. एंड आई हैव आल्सो सेड टू ऑल ऑफ यू कि एसआरटी वाले टेस्ट में टेलीग्राफीज यूज कर सकते हैं. टेलीग्राफीज वाज अ लैंग्वेज व्हिच वी आर यूजिंग अर्लियर. आजकल तो टेलीग्राम खत्म हो गए हैं. मींस इज वर, यस, ऐसे prepositions, verbs आप छोड़ सकते हो.
Right.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you were traveling in a train and a compartment caught fire.
Yes.
तो आपने लिखा pulled chain, helped evacuate passengers, assisted rail staff fight fire. बात तो समझ में आ गई ना?
Yes, sir.
ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. इससे टाइम की बचत होगी ना?
Yes, sir.
Do that.
Okay, sir.
Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव देना है जवाब, लेकिन छोटा देना है. इस तरह से दीजिए. फाइन.
Right.
I presume balance other things you could complete in the psychology test.
Yes, sir. In that I able to complete all 60, and SGT I was able to complete in time.
Very fine. I hope the SD had been approved by me long back.
Yes, sir. So I approved from you last year, sir.
First class, हाँ, उसमें तो क्या change होना है? Some changes are there, then you should get that also approved from me. ठीक है ना?
Okay, sir.
और SD में ये है 15 मिनट मिलते हैं. तो
Yes.
if you are like in your position, you should have completed it inside 10 minutes to revise some of your other work.
Yes, I was like around 12 minutes. I can say that. Then I complete some of my stories also. Like that I left.
Okay. So you could revise your work, right? So this is okay. SRT वाली बात जो है वो acceptable नहीं है, गौरव, है ना? With your experience of SSB, ठीक है?
Right.
अच्छा. Now let us come to the GTO. In that, in the two GDs, your performance should have been good.
Yes, sir. In the first GD, the points that I gave were less, and I was not also clear. Someone was cutting my points, not find. I was not able to find the gaps. But in the second GD, I performed well. Gave 4 points, and like my points were covered by everyone also.
Okay, fine. Could you write the complete plan in the group planning exercise?
Yes, this time I was able to complete write the plans.
In the command task, how many candidates called you to assist when they became commanders?
So our group is of 9 members. So 3 members called me to assist.
What was the degree of difficulty of the command task allotted to you?
So the degree I can say is simple, PGT 2. So I can say that.
Okay. If you were left on your own, could you have solved the PGTs up to 4?
So I can say PGT up to PGT 3 I can complete.
Fourth one you could not have solved.
Yes.
But with your experience, 5th SSB, your PGT, HGT, command task, then assisting 2-3 chaps in command task, then doing final group task. I mean, you have gone through these series in the SSB itself, I mean, numerous times.
Yes, sir.
तो क्या पैनिकी एटीट्यूड था कि समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि कैसे ब्रिजिंग की जाएगी?
So ideas, I think I can get more ideas at that time.
नहीं नहीं, और कितना एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए आइडियाज बढ़ाने के लिए? यू सी थिंग इज दैट a person who has a decent level of practical sense, the person can do it in first go. उसको जो है जब पीजीटी स्टार्ट होता है तो शुरू में थोड़ा बहुत हेजिटेशन होगा, उसको कैंट समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि ये कैंट प्लैंक का कैसे सिक्योर होगा, बट जैसे जैसे प्रोग्रेस होती है उसको समझ में आना शुरू हो जाता है।
यस सर।
तो आपके केस में तो ये काम बहुत बार हो चुका है।
यस सर।
हाउ डू यू थिंक दैट दिस एबिलिटी कैन इम्प्रूव? और हम प्रैक्टिस भी करा रहे हैं, पहले तो मैं ये कराता ही नहीं था ये चीजें।
यस सर।
नो करा रहे हैं, बट नाउ यू टेल मी व्हाट्स योर व्यू, हाउ कैन दिस एबिलिटी बी इम्प्रूव्ड?
So as you read in the books, we have to be more practical in our life, like to more indulge what like in our daily life we are doing. So in that way we can increase our ideas.
वहां भी डिजाइनिंग का काम कर रहे हो आप, उसमें भी प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम्स आती ही होंगी।
Yes.
वैसे ही मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर हो। एनीवे भाई, लीवर्स पुलिस सुलीज ये तो मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग का बेसिक ब्रेड एंड बटर है, गियर सिस्टम ये वो सारी चीजें तो है मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग में।
Yes, sir. So in FGT I was able to give the ideas.
अरे तो भाई एफजीटी तो अब मतलब तो आई मीन हाउ मेनी टाइम्स तेरा रिवीजन हो गया?
Yes, sir.
आर यू रियलाइजिंग दैट?
Yes.
थिंग इज दैट द जीटीओ आल्सो नोज कि यू आर नॉट अ फ्रेशर ना, ही नोज इट ना।
Yes.
तो मालूम है ना, आपसे बातचीत भी तो करता है वो कमांड टास्क से पहले।
Yes, sir.
पूछता होगा ना कि कितने गए थे पहले, क्या इशू हो गया था, सच लाइक थिंग ही वुड हैव आस्क्ड यू।
So this time not like some previous attempts they are asking.
बातचीत कुछ तो की होगी।
Yes, sir.
He has this knowledge about you because from that context he assesses na, after all he has to keep the background of every candidate in mind to make a good assessment.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा ओके। और जो था तो कमांड टास्क कर लिया होगा आपने आसानी से।
Yes, sir.
इंडिविजुअल ऑब्स्टिकल
So the due to rain, so they give us only 5 obstacles to complete. So I was able to complete 4. They gave us 1.5 minutes to complete that. Yes.
तो क्या रह गया आपसे इसमें?
Sir, rope climbing, sir.
रोप लाइन वो आपने अटेम्प्ट ही नहीं किया?
So I was going there to attempt, but he
बिल्कुल
said
हो गया।
time. Yes.
Okay. So, so now, Gaurav, you see overall what has emerged. कि आपका with your experience, your speed of decision making and ability to organize your thoughts and attempt the written work in the psychology test has emerged that is a shortfall, ना?
Yes.
लगता है ना ये कि कमी है?
Yes, I feel that.
जीटीओ सीरीज में लगा के भाई प्रैक्टिकल सेंस भी थोड़ा सस्पेक्ट।
Yes.
इंटरव्यू विल इग्नोर दैट पार्ट,
Okay,
वो
sir.
चादर वाली, क्योंकि ठीक है आज नहीं कर रहे हो उस नेचर का काम, तो डिजाइनिंग का है तो so Gaurav, this is what it is. Fine.
Yes.
So now we come to as to what needs to be done.
Yes, sir.
What needs to be done is that keep your eyes and ears open. Fine.
Okay.
घर में, ऑफिस में, कहां पर भी see resolve practical problems.
Okay, sir.
That will improve this ability of yours, plus will improve your confidence also.
Okay, sir.
वही प्रैक्टिकल चीजें देखो, रिलेशनशिप है, वही
Yes.
प्रैक्टिकल चीजें जीटीओ में फंसी, वो प्रैक्टिकल चीजें
The daily life.
एसआर थी, वही थी।
Yes, sir.
सिमिलैरिटी ना।
Yes.
तो is what it is. अभी कब है SSB?
So next SSB is for the SSC Tech. It might be in December, and after that APCAT entry.
So time is there.
Yes.
लगे रहिए फोकस, फिटनेस इंडेक्स भी और इम्प्रूव रखिए, जो किया है इम्प्रूवमेंट वो तो और करिए और इन चीजों को और करिए, देन योर चांसेस शुड बी गुड.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
No, most welcome, Gaurav. Anybody, any queries on what we have discussed with Gaurav? No one is having any query.